Hi, my name is Larry Judge. I'm currently an assistant professor at Ball State University. I am the national chairman for the throwing events for USA Track and Field Coaches Education. Today we're going to talk about plyometric training for track and field. What is plyometric training? Well, plyometric training is a fancy term for basic exercises that we've been doing for years. Exercises like hopping, skipping, jumping, bounding, depth jumps, even medicine ball throws are common plyometrics that should be blended into the training plan. Exercises like hurdles, stairs, boxes of various heights are used throughout the training program to build a base for later high-intensity speed strength work. Concentric jumps and depth jumps are also very effective medium and high-intensity plyometrics that are used during the in-season training phase. One of the objectives in training for power is to involve as many motor units or muscle fibers as possible in a quick, explosive contraction. And plyometrics is one of the best ways to achieve this. When peaking for track and field, plyometrics are shown to improve force production at very high velocities. Plyometrics have long been considered to provide event-specific training, both in the mechanics of performance as well as addressing the all-important need to improve rapid force production. Are plyometrics necessary? Well, many researchers have studied this, and Verchesonsky, for example, suggests that traditional weight programs which incorporate plyometrics are superior to those that do not include these exercises. And they've tested this using the vertical jump, where athletes will perform just traditional strength training exercises, and then athletes will perform traditional strength training exercises and plyometrics. And what they found is the athletes that are doing the plyometrics along with their traditional weight training improve their vertical jump more than the athletes that just did the traditional weight training exercises. So they are important to include in your training program.